All right, today we're looking at Module 1, Part 5. And most of this we're going to be dealing with prime and composite numbers. So a prime number is a number that's greater than 1. Okay, so I'm going to give you some notes. So I'm going to use a pound sign for number. So prime number is greater than 1. So it has to be bigger than 1. So 1 cannot be prime. Has exactly two different factors. Two different factors. And those are 1 and itself. Okay, so you can Google search and see a list of primes. Most of the time I have students write down the first 50, so not 50 numbers, but under 50 and below the primes. So the first prime number is 2. 2, the only thing that can multiply to give you 2 is 1 times 2, so that's 1 in itself. And then after that, that's the only even number that's prime. Everything after that will be odd, but not every odd number is prime. So 3, 5, 7, you would skip 9 because 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 times 9. So any number that's not prime is composite. That's the opposite. Kind of like being even and odd. Prime and composite are opposite. 11, 13, you would skip 15, 17, 19, skip 21, 23, skip 25, 27, you would get 29, 31, skip 33, 35, 37, and then skip 39, you would do 41, 41, 43, you skip 45, and I believe you would get 47. Okay, so after that, 49 is 7 times 7, and then that's it. So normally I would just start out with a list about this size, but you can Google search prime. But prime numbers have to be greater than 1, have to have exactly 2 different factors. That's why 1 is not, because 1 times 1 is the same number twice. It has to be 2 different numbers. So these are some of the prime numbers. You can, again, Google search them. So this first question is asking, is 1 prime, composite, or neither? It is, I think it would fit in the neither category. Composite would be having more than 2 different factors. 1 and 0, I think they would fit into the neither category. And then 24, you see it's not in our list. It's composite. Anything even bigger than 2 is going to be composite. And then 29, prime, composite, or neither. So 29 falls on our list. It's going to be prime.